Hello everyone, welcomes my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best purchasing and selling gold at minimum price. You can start only just 10 rupees. Here I only suggest the site, I don't recommend, so please read and research deeply before investing and selling. To invest for whole information, watch the video till the end, but very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I'll also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Facts. Let's start the video.
What is Safe Gold? Safe Gold is an advanced stage that permits you to purchase, sell, and take conveyance of 24K actual gold, at low ticket sizes, non-stop, with the tap of a catch. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. Gain more knowledge before investing. Is it acceptable to put resources into advanced gold? Advantages of investing in digital gold. Advanced gold can be utilized as security for online advances. Advanced gold is veritable and the immaculateness is 24K 99.5% for safe gold and 999.9 if there should be an occurrence of MMTC/PAMP buys. Your buy is put away securely and is likewise 100% protected. Is MMTC/PAMP safe? At the point when you purchase gold from MMTC/PAMP, you are ensured worldwide quality at a moderate cost. The actual gold bought is put away in a profoundly made sure about nook inside the MMTC/PAMP vault with full protection cover, so you can behave confidently about the well-being of your resource. What is the distinction between MMTC/PAMP and safe gold? The immaculateness of gold is guaranteed by the guarantor. MMTC/PAMP offers 24-karat gold of 999.9 virtue, which is the highest caliber of gold, while safe gold is 24-karat gold of 995 immaculateness. In the event of MMTC/PAMP, the gold is put away in vaults for a very long time with no extra charge. Safe gold is put away for a very long time. Why go advanced? 1. Certificate. Ensured 24K gold. In contrast to nearby sellers, with safe gold, you straightforwardly purchase from the maker. 2. Vault. Sell whenever from home. Sell whenever, without going anyplace, and get cash direct in your record. 3. Savings. Purchase as low as 10 rupees. Computerized doesn't need to contribute a huge amount of cash. You can contribute dependent on your financial plan. 4. Savings. Well-being ensured. In contrast to actual gold, you don't need to stress over burglary or costly storage charges. Your gold is put away in bank-grade storage spaces liberated from cost. 5. Savings. Convert to actual gold. You can change your actual gold over to computerized gold whenever as coins or adornments through our accomplices. I hope you all really like the video because this is a different kind of investing site. I suggest if you want to get for interesting video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share, leave a comment. Good luck.